Ever found yourself staring at an Uber receipt, then opening Expensify, and thinking, there has to be an easier way? If you're a business traveler, a consultant, or anyone who frequently uses Uber for work and struggles with expense reports, you're not alone. The manual entry of ride details, the constant tap switching, the fear of missing a receipt, it's a common pain point. We've all been there, dreading the end of the month because of that mountain of expenses. Well, what if I told you there's a way to cut through that clutter, streamline your expense process, and reclaim some valuable time? Forget the days of sifting through emails or snapping photos of crumpled paper receipts. Today, we're diving into a feature that's a real game changer for anyone who uses Uber for business travel, the direct integration between Uber and Expensify. This isn't just about convenience, it's about accuracy, efficiency, and ultimately, saving you money by ensuring every legitimate expense is captured and reimbursed. Imagine finishing an Uber ride and, before you even step out of the car, knowing that the expense is already on its way to your Expensify account. No more manual entry, no more lost receipts, no more frantic searching through your transaction history. So, how does this magic happen? It's surprisingly simple. Both Uber and Expensify have recognized the need for a seamless connection. Expensify is a powerful expense management platform, and Uber is, well, Uber, the ubiquitous ride-sharing service. When these two powerhouses connect, they create a super efficient workflow for your business expenses. The core of this integration lies in what Expensify calls Smart Scan and automatic receipt fetching. When you link your Uber account to Expensify, every time you take a ride, Uber sends an e-receipt directly to Expensify. Expensify then intelligently extracts all the relevant information, the date, the cost, the merchant, Uber, of course, and even the trip details. It categorizes it, creates an expense entry, and even attaches the e-receipt, all without you lifting a finger. Think about the implications for compliance and auditing. With a direct link, you have an undeniable digital trail for every single ride. No more he said, she said about whether a ride was for business or personal use. The data is clear, concise, and verifiable, making expense approvals a breeze for your manager and audits less of a headache for your finance department. Setting this up is a quick process, usually just a few clicks within your Expensify account. You'll simply authorize Expensify to connect to your Uber profile, and from that moment on, your business rides will flow directly into your expense reports. You can even set up rules to automatically categorize specific types of Uber rides, further automating the process. For example, all rides tagged as business could automatically go into a travel category. This integration isn't just about individual convenience, it has a ripple effect across your entire organization. Imagine the time saved by your finance team no longer having to chase down receipts or correct manual entry errors. Think of the increased accuracy in your expense reporting, leading to better financial insights and more efficient budgeting. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, to answer the burning question, yes, you absolutely can link Uber to Expensify, and doing so will revolutionize the way you handle your business travel expenses. It's a small change that yields massive returns in terms of time, accuracy, and peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.